All right, I'm editing my videos. I have 4 new videos I actually want to add, and this is 2 of them. I'm editing them together because they're on the same topic. They're a 2-part video and another 2-part video. So I've been working for days and kind of over months really on this one. And let's see here. So I've added in some graphics already.
First of all, if TMS treatment becomes standard care, pharmaceutical corporations and the pain management industry would lose billions. Even though this would save money for consumers and insurance companies, plus reduce opioid overdoses, pharmaceutical corporations don't want you to stop buying their over-the-counter and prescription pain meds.
So I am in the process of this. All right, stop. All right, here we go. I'm gonna add in some more graphics. Now I make my graphics using Keynote because I have a Mac. And let's see here. I made over 200 graphics to add into this 2-part video. So right now I have to inlay them. And as I do that, oopsies. Mute that there. A little hard to talk and think. So, as I inlay these 200 graphics plus video that I source and find, a lot of the images I find on stock image websites that I pay for. Yeah, basically in this section, I use a lot of graphics over a period of a few seconds to make it look animated and moving. And I do that so that it is fun to watch. That's the goal. And so right now I have to sync them. I'm spacing them out. As you can see, the video that I filmed, which I actually filmed last April, kind of got hit with technical difficulties from now until then. I am in the process of editing now to make sure that this will look good. So let's see what that looks like.
Opioid overdoses. Plus reduce opioid overdoses.
Okie doke. So now, let's mute that again. I have to make it so that these don't replace the video and they go together. I learned how to do this by watching a YouTube tutorial. In fact, most of the video editing skills that I have I learned by video tutorials on YouTube and practice. Lots of trial and error, which is why it takes a while. One technical hurdle that I had to overcome was figuring out how to color correct my footage and fix some things that kind of didn't show up correctly with the footage originally, so I had to make a lot of corrections there. And that kind of delayed me. But then I got started editing again recently, and once I overcame those hurdles, the rest of it gets easier once I know what I'm doing. And really, a lot of what I'm doing is a huge learning curve for me, because I did not study video production or editing. This is all an acquired skill for the purpose of making this web series, which is why I hope you enjoy it. So let's see how that looks inlaid in there for this whole section.
First of all, if TMS treatment becomes standard,
my computer unfortunately can't seem to process all this video editing that well, so it keeps cutting out in the video playback. It really drives me nuts. Ah. So many graphics.
would lose billions. Even though this would save money for consumers, plus reduce opioid overdoses.
Right, so I'm having to deal with that chopping out a lot. And I have to sync all the graphics to audio, so that makes it more difficult. So all of this section up here are graphics that I designed. This part is my video that I filmed last April. This is a white color mat because I move myself around the screen, which you may know from the style of my other videos, where each little section I'm on one side and the other side, and bouncing all over the place. It's a YouTube style that's popular now and helps to engage people with very little attention and focus, which I can understand. So I got lots of graphics, lots of video, some really cool stuff to show. Really looking forward to releasing these videos. Thanks for watching.